So here it is. This is the rim I repaired and it got back from shot blasting. And it's at my work now. I will sand it a little bit to make these edges smoother. Over here you can see my co-worker who is sanding a little bit of the damages away. And it got 2 layers of powder coating. The first layer was a primer and the second layer is a metallic black without a clear coat finish. So this is the normal metallic black powder coating. And it's perfect.
Oh, mooi man. Het is mooi. Ja.
Mooi man. As you can see, almost every body part is returned back to the painter. We sanded it back to a grit 800, but it's not done yet. Erwin will add another layer of primer and return it back to us again for filling and bodywork. So here it is, the body parts of the S2000. The next step for me is to mount all the door mechanism, which is a hell of a job. And of course, just mount the body parts. And then the whole car can go to the painter Erwin. Even through black and white, you can see that the paint isn't finished yet. We will finish the paint when the whole complete car will go to the paint shop. That's because of damages when aligning, etc. The reason for this black and white filter is just because I don't want to reveal the color yet. Okay, I did something. Normally we use this Max Protect nano coating only on customer cars and yeah, some of our own cars of course. But yeah, that's something new with the rims of the S2000. Because they're now almost brand spanking new, I use this coating on the rims, and this coating will work for about 3 years. And look at the water sliding off the rim. It's just satisfying.